So there's different ways for you to partake in giving da'wah. So make sure you are doing one of these ways, at least one of these ways. Because if you're not giving da'wah, like this guy here, he is Christian and he's giving da'wah to the Muslims, to the Somali Muslims. He speaks Somali and he's inviting Muslim Somalians to Christianity. Subhanallah. If we don't give da'wah, we're gonna see other people who will give us da'wah. So it's very crucial in this time, with all the fitan and all the trials we're in, to be in the habit of giving da'wah constantly, to engage in giving da'wah in all the different formats that I aforementioned. Because if you're not doing any part of da'wah, you or the people that you love who are close to you